students. Today we will discuss about the transition metal, general properties of transition metal. First of all, d block elements are known as transition metal. First of all, what is transition metal? Transition metal are the element of d block which have unpaired electron or electrons in valence shell electronic configuration or n-1d orbital, either in ground state or in ionic state. In our last video, we will discuss about which type of ion is transition ion, which type of ion is not transition ion. We maybe take the example of copper ion. First property, beta size of atomic size of transition metal exists between S block and P block elements, that is they are smaller in size as compared to S block element, but they are larger in size as compared to P block element because they are present in between. As the atomic number increase period wise, atomic size decrease. Beta period wise, as the atomic number increase, atomic size decrease. Clear? That means they are smaller than, this is S block, this is P block, and these are transition metal, that is D block, smaller than S block but larger than P block. Beta, these transition metals are show all the properties of metal like malleable, ductile, except mercury, because mercury is the liquid metal. Beta, mercury is lustrous but liquid. So mercury is not malleable, it is non-ductile, do not produce any type of sonorous, but yet it is metal, but it is lustrous metal, lustrous liquid metal. Otherwise all metals are solid at room temperature and they have all the properties of metal. Beta, these transition metals act as catalyst. These transition metals acts as catalyst. You use number of time transition metal as catalyst. Iron, molybdenum used as catalyst in case of Haber process. Beta, this is Haber process, formation of ammonia. Nitrogen and hydrogen combine together in 1:3 to form ammonia. It is very slow process. To increase the rate of this reaction, we use catalyst, iron or molybdenum. Both are transition metal or D block elements. Yet the speed of this reaction is slow. By addition of catalyst, slightly speed is increased. Yet it is slow, then you use promoters. that is K2O or Al2O3. These are also catalysts. These type of chemicals used to increase the efficiency of these catalysts. Then these are promoter. But beta, these two are used as catalyst. We can say in number of reaction, transition metal be used as catalyst. They are also used in alloy formation. Whether these metals are colored in pure form or in ionic state or in compounds. They also show flame coloration. This type of coloration not found in p block except halogen. Some metals we consider that they are d block element but not the transition metal. These are zinc, cadmium and mercury are considered as non-transition element. Why? Reason is that they do not have any unpaired electron in valence shell electronic configuration. 3d10, 4d10, 5d10. Beta 4s2, 5s2, 6s2. That means all electrons are paired. Beta, these are non-transition element. Why? Because they do not show any of the property of transition metal. Thank you.